If your Mercedes transmission is shifting roughly, holding gears too long, or getting poor fuel economy, your transmission control module might need a reset. Today, we'll cover 3 proven methods to reset your Mercedes adaptive transmission and get it shifting like new again. What is the transmission control module? Your Mercedes uses an adaptive learning transmission that constantly monitors your driving style and adjusts shift patterns accordingly. This smart system learns whether you drive aggressively or conservatively and adapts the gear changes to match. However, over thousands of miles, the system can develop unwanted habits or get confused by inconsistent driving patterns. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, is the brain that controls all of this. When it gets overwhelmed with conflicting data or starts making poor shift decisions, a reset brings it back to factory settings and lets it relearn your driving style from scratch. Signs you need a TCM reset. Before we jump into the methods, here are the telltale signs your Mercedes transmission needs a reset. Harsh or delayed shifting, especially when accelerating. The transmission holds gears too long or shifts at unusual RPM points. Poor fuel economy despite normal driving conditions. The transmission feels sluggish or unresponsive. You recently changed the transmission fluid or had transmission work done. If any of these sound familiar, a TCM reset might solve your problems without an expensive trip to the dealer. Now let's get to the 3 proven methods of resetting Mercedes transmission. Method 1, the gas pedal reset. So, this is honestly the most popular method and works on most Mercedes vehicles from the mid-1990s onward, including all 5-speed, 7-speed, and 9-speed transmissions. Here's exactly how to do it. First off, make sure your car is parked safely with the parking brake engaged. Then turn the ignition key to position 2, which is just 1 click before starting the engine. You'll see all the dashboard lights come on, but don't start the car. Now, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there. You need to push past the kickdown switch, so really press it down firmly. Hold the pedal down for exactly 10 seconds. Some sources say 5 seconds works, but 10 seconds is the safer bet. After 10 seconds, while still holding the pedal down, turn the ignition completely off. This is crucial. Keep your foot on that pedal. Continue holding the pedal down for another 10 seconds with the ignition off. Don't let up on the pedal during this entire process. After the second 10-second count, release the pedal. Now you can start your car normally. The transmission control module has been reset and will begin learning your driving patterns from scratch over the next few drives. Method 2. Battery disconnect reset. This method is more thorough and resets multiple vehicle systems, not just the transmission. It's particularly effective for newer Mercedes models and when the gas pedal method doesn't work. Start by turning off your engine and removing the key. Pop the hood and locate your battery. The negative terminal is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Using a wrench, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal and carefully remove the cable. Pull the cable away from the battery post so there's no chance of accidental contact. Here's the important part. Wait exactly 15 minutes. This allows all the vehicle's electrical systems to fully discharge and clear their memory banks. Some mechanics recommend holding the disconnected negative and positive cables together for 45 seconds during this waiting period to speed up the discharge process, but keep them away from the battery. After 15 minutes, reconnect the negative terminal and tighten it securely. When you start your car, multiple systems, including the transmission, will have reset to factory defaults. You might notice your radio presets are gone, and your clock needs resetting, but your transmission will shift much more predictably. Method 3. OBD2 Scanner Reset. For those who want the most precise method, using an OBD2 scanner designed for Mercedes offers the cleanest reset. This method requires a compatible scanner, but it's becoming more affordable and gives you diagnostic capabilities for the future. You'll need a Mercedes-specific OBD2 scanner or a high-quality universal scanner with Mercedes transmission functions. Connect the scanner to your car's OBD port, which is usually located under the dashboard near your left knee. Turn your ignition to position 2, but don't start the engine. Follow your scanner's menu to find the transmission system, then look for Transmission Adaptation Reset or Transmission Learning Reset. Select the reset function and follow the on-screen prompts. The scanner will communicate directly with your transmission control module and perform a factory reset. This method is the most thorough and gives you confirmation that the reset was successful.